In this video, I'm going to show how to put multiple questions answers on Instagram story. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that I'm doing the process. I'm passing the information on my Samsung Android, but you can do the exact process on your iPhone or any other Android. First, you need to enter on Instagram and log into your account, the account that you want to put multiple questions answers, okay? So you come on the main menu right here and swipe to the right to open this page right here, okay? Here you will see story, reel, post, and so on. You need to click on story and you need to record a video, take a picture or import from your gallery to take a story, okay? Then to put multiple questions answers, you need to click right here on this sticker and here you will see questions, okay, right here. So here you just need to put your question. So for example, how old are you? You can make any question that you want to make, okay? Click on done and share the story, okay? So I will share the story right here and I will use my other account to respond to this story. Okay, after the person responds to your story, you just need to click activity right here and here you will see all responses that you have on this story. So click on the response and click on this button share response, okay? Click right here. You will share on another story. You can drag on the position that you want, you can put text, boomerang, and etc, okay? Then you just need to take the picture of the background. Okay, after doing that, you need to click right here on these three dots and click to save, okay? You will save this story right here. Then you come again on your responses. I only have this response, so I will use the same response. Click to reply again, share response, and here you need to import your story, okay? So click right here and click on the story that you saved. Okay, then you just need to drag the other question to the local that you want, okay? And you can do the same process any times that you want. I hope I helped you on how to put multiple questions answers on Instagram story. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.